This special design for our very special customer because he loved the sport car Lamborghini so much. Hello guys, welcome back to TKD channel today. We would like to introduce to you our new latest design 11 line and 9 line corrugation for South America country. So what is the difference between the latest design and our own corrugation machine? Today we would like to show you a little bit in more detail. First of all, I would like to introduce to you the component what we use for our controller box. So first, we use for this design the profile touchscreen which from Japan brand, and then what do we have here? The hand remote control from Handbroke, and PLC from Siemens brand, inverter from Fuji from Japan, and the power supply from Han from Korea, circuit breaker from Mitsubishi from Japan, and the protection for electricity from Turkey from Glenman brand. Okay, let's carry on. So basically the idea for this special design for our very special customer because he loved the sport car Lamborghini so much, so we decided to make for him a roofing machine with a limited edition with the outlook of the Lamborghini supercar. And I did make a joke to him. I said, you buy the Lamborghini Urus, cost him about $250,000. When he drive the car out of the showroom, he would lose between 10 to 20% the value of the car. But on the other hand, the other side, I telling him we make for him the corrugation machine, roofing machine. This machine is like money printing machine. Once he start using this machine, he start making the money for him. And I tell you why it's like this. Because basically every day if you run according to my concern, let's say 5 coil per day, it would generate for you a massive income. Let's say roughly 1 coil profit about $1,000 net profit, and if you run 5 coil per day, it would generate for you $5,000 per day. So comparing to the Lamborghini car, he lost between 10 to 20% when he started driving the brand new car outside of the showroom. But with this, it would generate for him between $1,000 to $5,000 per day. What do we have here? Let's say we have the slide door, same like a Lamborghini. We have side mirror as well. So basically you can see inside and check the component, the chain, and if you need to do some lubricant for the machine, you can do it as well. So let me close it down. Okay, let's get back to the main point. The most important of the roofing machine that I mentioned in previous video is the roller system. The roller system is very important because it can last for, let's say, 5 or 10 years or no. Because normally other brand they would use the steel SC45 without any heated treatment. But for TKD, especially, we do heated treatment for all of our roller. So it's very strong. I can say it's super strong. And let's try it because I know you will not believe what we're saying. So we will test the roller before we run the machine for you guys to see how hard the roller is. Let's say, okay, this is very clear as steel. Then my colleague will try to hit it. Just slam anywhere. Okay, and then let's have a look. And you can see some of the damage is here of the roller. Maybe not very much, but I think he a little bit scared. So I will try by myself. Let's see. There you go. I smell it very heavy. Let's try this side on a random roller. Okay, the camera, can you come a little bit closer? There you go. It's a lot of damage, yeah. And the roller is nothing happening, huh? Beautiful. Okay, let's try another one, yeah. Okay, we will try with this. Let's say this side. It's clear one, huh? This side. Let's try randomly. Okay, we will try this roller. Okay. Okay, and then we check the roller. It's perfectly finished, huh? So again, the proof of the hardness of the roller, and we can see the result here. After we smart a lot, so many damage on the steel. This steel is S45C without heat treatment. So as you can see here, it's a lot of damage when we try to hit it. It's so many damage here. Huh? Let's get back to the speed of the machine and the gear motor. Which gear motor we use is this machine. We use the gear motor instead of the hydraulic system. We use the gear motor because the customer he have a very high demanding and a lot of quantity. He run the coil per day. The quantity around probably about 5 coil per day. It would take 8 hours to run. So he want the maximum speed. For this machine, we use the Japan gear motor from Sumitomo brand. Is very strong gear motor. And for the blade, the back blade and the front blade, we use SKD11 Japan. So the hardness is between 60 to 65 HRC. So it's very strong. For the speed of the machine, it runs with the gear motor and controlling by the inverter. So the machine speed can controlling and running according to your requirement. If you want low speed, you can run as you like, or you want a very high speed, you can also adjust the speed on a touch screen. So you can have different type of speed. For example, if you running the coil is very thin, maybe you want to reduce the speed low a little bit. If you want to run the machine with more harder, you can control and manage the speed of the machine. So basically, this machine we make for the customer the hardness between 0.3 millimeter up to 0.8 millimeter. So our team had been decided to make all of it roller station super strong, heated treatment, so he can use it for a very long time, between maybe 5-10 years, no problem. This is the front plate. So now we do some test run, so we all can see the finished product. The reason why I put the oil hydraulic pump here for the blade, because I think it's more convenient. Because if you use the blade long time, you should put it here. It's easy. You just press it and pump. For both sides, the blade got lubricant, so it can use for very long time. Very easy for handle. They can check if the blade not very smoothly. They can just pump it here. And on the front, we also have 2 handle gear, 2 roller station in the front. When the customer they have to run with the thin coil, or sometimes they run with more thicker coil. So these 2 gear here to control the beautiful of the finished product. So it's very easy and handle. I can just press it down or press up, depend as I like. So now we run the machine so you can see the finished product. Okay, camera, can we come here a little bit closer so our customer can see the setting of the machine and how to operate. Let my colleague will show you how to make an order, please. Order, right? In here we have like because some country they use millimeter at their first choice. Some country they use feet. Some country they use inch. So it just depend on what you like. So I just basically I use the international standard. I will put millimeter. So let's put 500 mm. So it's auto convert into from millimeter to inch or feet as you like, So it's very convenient for some in South America. They use inch and feet. Some of the like country like in Myanmar, they use Indian feet as well. So customer, they can have different choice on the diameter. On the right side corner here, we have the quantity. So let's say we test run 2 pieces, we put 2 here. And then if, for example, let's say you running about like 50 sheet or something like order in different, like the length, the size. So you can, if you want to stop for packaging, we have the option here for you. Let's say if we run the first order number 1, 500 millimeter, 2 piece, and then let's say package. So the machine will stop for the worker to repair packaging, the first order to delivery with the customer, and then you can have the second. Let's say I will put some sample for you here. Let's say 1200 mm. Let's say 5 piece. And another one, if I put inch on the inch millimeter, let's say 50 inch, is auto convert. Let's say 600. Okay, let's make 600. Okay, 600 is auto convert into 23.6 inch, and I want to stop in this number 3 order for packaging. I will just press here. So when the machine run into the order number 3, finish, let's say 10. I will put 10 here. The machine will be automatically stop for the staff. They do the packaging. Okay. So and then after if you finish the setting for the order, you just come back here and then press run. But now we just run only 2 sheets for it, so I just clear order. I just make 500 mm, 2 piece, just the demo for us to see. And once you finish order, just go back and then press run. Yeah, it's exactly 500 dimension from this side. $81. Okay, let's make overlap. Hiếu lặp lên Hiếu.
Lật ngược lại Hiếu.
Lật ngược lại. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and hope to see you guys soon. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the like button. If you have any more inquiry, anything, or have any question, feel free to drop the comment below to ask us. We will be happy to answer you. Thank you and see you again.